I'm Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my god, you guys, it's been so long since I styled a wig for you. It's been almost maybe a week. I feel so long ago. Just think, only a week ago, the world was normal. Since we're at the end of days, I've decided I'm gonna pack in as many videos as I can. So today we are styling a wig, or rather transforming a wig from Wish.com. Now, my good friend Sylvia Nix provided me a wig that she donated to this channel to be transformed. It was a gift from her father that he ordered for her from Wish. So that just goes to show you the quality of gifts Sylvia deserves. Let's take out and look at it. We got a little wig cap, one of those netted ones. Whoever wants to use that, have fun with it. This is our Wish wig. It is rooted, girl, for that natural look. And it is in a lovely color wash of violet, lavender, pink, and other shades of purple and pinks. They're kind of sticking to a theme. That's our inside. Look at those tracks, girl. And it doesn't have a, oh, it does have clips. Okay, sweet. All right, so we have clips as well, ear tabs. Not bad. I had to ask Sylvia what the price was. Sylvia, what was the price? Oh, she's not here. Anyways, let's see how this turns out. All right, we are back. Let's put the wig on the head and see how she looks. Ooh, the glamour. All right, got our wig head all prepared. Now, this is a hard front wig, so we're gonna have to do some extra work to make it wearable. And I'm excited because I haven't done a Wish wig literally since I did those yellow ones a while back. And those ones were, they were something else. So this one is actually a bit higher quality because the hair actually feels like synthetic hair texture and not straight up string. Like I could, you know, reenact the scene from Audition with it. Yeah, that looks even. Yeah, that's even. Okay, let's brush through this guy. Oh, the static is real. Okay. Now, I've tried a lot of wigs, and I've always noticed that whenever it's like big pastel colors like this, like the really bright ones, they always seem to catch a lot of static, or some of them, the quality of the fiber feels a bit different than others. I don't know what it is. It must be something in like the dyeing process that just makes it a little bit more of a challenge, but they aren't impossible to work with. It's like listening to the museum. Let's start styling her. First things first, we gotta root out this wig line and give her a wearable look. Now, this is what we're dealing with for a hairline, so I hope you're all prepared. She's gonna be interesting. All right, as I'm going through it, the hair is actually fairly decent, I have to say. I always kind of raise my eyebrow at Wish wigs because y'all know how it goes. You order one thing and you get another. It's like the very living embodiment of that meme of, you know, versus when you order it online. All right, I am just rooting down this hairline. Y'all already know what I'm doing here. I'm gonna link that video down below. I have a whole tutorial on it. All right. I am back from rooting this hairline, girl. And let me just tell you this, getting this hairline to root down was considerable work. I wouldn't say it's because of the hair texture. It's just because when it's multiple colors like this, like getting them all to go the same direction and be cohesive is troubling. I'll just say that. The hairline is all rooted out now. So now we're gonna tease the wig a little bit, but not too much because I actually wanna do a very specific style, just enough to give it some volume. So let me just part it here like I'm parting the Red Sea. And be careful about our rooted hairline. I just rooted the hairline, of course. And I'm gonna lightly tease down the hair. Just to get rid of that solidified part that's in it. Just giving it a nice cushiony little tease, just to give me some volume, because I'm actually gonna do something a little different with this wig. I bet you're wondering, Jaymes, what are you gonna do today? Well, I'm gonna do a side swoop with a part right here and a Maryland flip. I'm kidding. You just got to watch and find out. Again, not doing the whole thing, just enough to give it some flounce, a little volume. This hairstyle I have planned today might actually be very useful for some of you who dabble in cosplay wigs, because I'm doing what you normally would have to do on a lace front on something that was probably $4 from Wish.com. I do have questions about this wig though, so let's call the source. Let's call Sylvia Nix. Not she's not answering the phone.
Hello?
You let the phone ring like 5 times. Am I that unimportant to you?
Well, yeah.
Anyways, Sylvia, I have questions for you about this wig.
Oh no, okay, fine, ask away.
First off, what are the origins of this wig?
I have no idea where the hell it came from. My dad just gave it to me one day. He was like, here, I found this wig on this online website, and they were also selling panties and other weird things. I'm like, great, you got me a wig on Wish.
Did you look at this wig before you gave it to me?
Absolutely not.
Do you at least know the price of this?
Knowing my dad, it's probably less than $15.
With free shipping, I imagine, too, huh?
Yeah, and it probably took like 3 months to get there.
That sounds like a gift someone would give to you.
By the way, are you coming to my birthday party on April 19th?
Oh no, the phone is breaking up. Sorry, Sylvia, I gotta go. Glad we got the answers we needed. All right, I'm just French lacing it together. All right, just add a bit of volume to the base of that. And we are ready to start doing our style. Okay, here we go. What I'm gonna do here is separate the front section here. Pull that over here. Take our whole hairline and separate that. Lightly brush down this hair. Show that to you guys. I'm gonna smooth out this hair. Just smooth out this hair. Oh. Ghosts in the house. Oh my God. Girl, it's the Conjuring up in here. All right, here we go. I'm gonna add a little cushion tease into this because I just teased out everything and smoothed it out. So, push, 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 flick, so you have a long tail. Push, 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 flick, so you have a long tail. Push, push, flick. Because I want those tails to add to this because we're gonna make a ponytail right now. We're doing like an Ariana Grande cheer kind of ponytail on a wig that has no lace. So in order to trick that, we have to have long tails here at the top, also in some padding here so it's not completely flat to the head, because if you have a bigger head like me, it helps. Now we're only doing it on the crown section of the wig. So I'm taking this last bit of the crown here, and I'm gonna show you it one more time. I'm gonna pack, 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 tail out. Pack, 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 tail it out. Pack, pack, tail out. Pack, 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 tail. Pack, pack, tail. There you go. And it has a long tail and lots of teasing here at the base. That's gonna add our volume. Okay, now let's pull it over. And you don't wanna have it leaned over like this too long, otherwise it's gonna make a crease in the hair and you don't want that. It's gonna ruin the whole hairstyle. All right, now I can pull all of it back. And what we can do is we can do like a bump like that, like a pompadour, or we can pull it flatter and just give it a little bit more bass volume to make it symmetrical with our head. Ariana Grande, cheer. Rockabilly, so many options. And this is actually a great thing to do to your wigs and experiment with since we have lots of time inside right now. I'm sure you got some hard front wigs just laying around dying for some attention. They're always gifted to us, or we have them from the past. We just have them sitting in a bag somewhere. Don't know what to do with them. Don't have a wig that matches it. Make it into a brand new style. Okay, and I got a nice bit of hair right here. I'm gonna save that section because we're gonna come back to it. Put it to the side. And now comes the tricky part. You want to secure it down, but you also want to make sure it stays good on the head too. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a hair tie and we are going to tie it loosely around here first because we gotta try it on and see how it looks on our head. And if it's not symmetrical, then we can retie it. But I just got a nice loose tie like that. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try the wig on my head. So I'll be right back and I will adjust it to my own shape. Alrighty, we are back. I am just gonna do a little finishing touches right now. I'm gonna take a little strand of hair and pull it forward. I'm gonna use that to wrap around our ponytail to help hide that little rubber band. Small little bobby pin. I'm gonna tuck that in there to make sure it stays still. And it always works out best if you cut the hairline while it's on your head. So when you're reshaping it and resizing it for this ponytail part, just cut the hairline while you're at it. That way you actually know what the final result's gonna look like. You don't wanna like dedicate yourself to a ponytail you can't take down and the hairline's not right. I've made that mistake in the past. Now all I'm gonna do here is just go through the rest of the wig and smooth her out quick. Make sure that this section here looks good. Look at all those tracks, sis. Oh my goodness. That's why we tease it. What we can do to hide that is take those little bits you have right here and do that cushion tease again. Pull those tails down. Cushion tease, pull them down. Cushion, pull. And just smooth over the surface. And that should help disguise it somewhat. And if people ask, just say you got alopecia. Fabulous. Okay, let's do our tail. Smoothing around the base of this. There's still some teasing in this too, so I'm going to try and keep that because then I can mold it to wherever the hell I want it to go. And then using that other brush, detangler, grip it and detangle that end so you have movement at the end. Check that out. This is our final girl. I'm going to try her on. I'll be right back. Welcome back. This is the final result. Oh my God, girl. I love it. Now, I'm amazed at what you can do with a hard front wig. Like, I was just experimenting with this, and actually, I created a really fun bionic ponytail. Very modern and without a lace front. So if you're feeling adventurous or want to experiment with your creativity or your wigs, be sure and try this out. You don't need a lace front in order to get a sickening hairstyle. I look like I'm ready for Netflix's Cheer. Now, this wig is fabulous, but it's just missing one more thing. The Jaymes Mansfield Magical Wig Spray from Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. Let's just give this wig a spritz. Ah, now this wig smells just like cream soda. Available at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. And grooming can be an absolute drag, but thankfully I have Manscaped. Use my code Mansfield for 20% off your purchase, plus free shipping. And last but certainly not least, I have to take a moment. A Venmo moment. I want to thank all the wonderful people who tipped me on Venmo. I would like to thank Christopher, Leo, Jesus, Gabriel, Ross. Thanks, Ross. And Gustavo. Thank you so much for giving me some money during this apocalypse. I appreciate it so much. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Click here and watch my RuPaul's Drag Race Season 12 recap. Or see me transform a Disney's Elsa wig from Frozen 2. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll lock you in quarantine with Lisa Rinna. So click it.